Dear students, today we are going to start de Broglie wavelength of matter waves. Let's see theory of matter waves or de Broglie's hypothesis. First, light has dual nature. Second, waves are associated with moving matter particles which are called matter waves or de Broglie waves. Third, associated wavelength of a matter particle of mass m moving with velocity v, that is momentum p equal to mv, is given by lambda equal to h upon p equal to h upon mv. Here p indicates the presence of particle nature and lambda indicates the presence of wave nature. Fourth, matter waves are probability waves because they represent the probability of finding a particle in space. Applied theory for practical purpose, since it is not possible to view both particle and wave nature of a matter particle simultaneously. Sometimes moving matter particle behaves as wave and sometimes as particle. If associated wavelength is negligible, then moving matter particle will behave as particle, and if associated wavelength is of the order of size of particle, then it will behave as wave. Now let's see energy, momentum and wavelength of a photon. First, according to quantum theory of light, photons are indivisible packets or bundles of energy. Second, if nu equal to frequency of photon, then E equal to h nu, where E equal to energy of photon, h equal to Planck's constant equal to 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Third, velocity of photon equal to velocity of light, therefore c equal to nu lambda, where lambda equal to associated wavelength with photon, therefore E equal to h nu equal to hc upon lambda. Fourth, according to Einstein, E equal to mc square equal to pc, where m equal to effective mass of moving photon equal to h upon c lambda equal to p upon c. Fifth, momentum of moving photon E equal to mc equal to m h nu upon c equal to h upon lambda. P equal to mc equal to h nu upon c equal to h upon lambda. Sixth, wavelength associated with moving photons, lambda equal to h upon p equal to h upon mc equal to hc upon e. Seventh, momentum of photon p proportional m, p proportional e. The graph between p and m and p and e are straight lines as shown in figure. Eighth, wavelength lambda proportional 1 upon p, lambda proportional 1 upon m, lambda proportional 1 upon e. The graph between lambda and 1 upon p is a straight line. Lambda and p is a hyperbola. Lambda and m is hyperbola. Lambda and e is also hyperbola. Fourth, energy E proportional m. Graph between E and m is a straight line. 10th, rest mass and charge on photon equal to 0.